Hey, I'm Stephanie Noble. I am a stay-at-home mom of three kiddos, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why you are here loving my content on YouTube. I started learning at the age of 8. Both my parents worked full time, and I have a younger brother, and I was tasked with the job of making sure we had food and dinner ready for my parents when they got home from work. I learned how to cook from my dad and my grandparents and my great grandmother, who loved cooking and were the chefs of the family. So I learned at a very young age how to cook, and I have always loved being in the kitchen. It was always my happy place. My parents will tell you a story that I didn't ask for toys or any clothing or anything for Christmas. I asked for kitchen appliances. And I remember one Christmas I got my very first blender, and I was the happiest person in the world because I wanted a blender to start making movies. Throughout high school, I wanted to go into culinary arts. My parents highly discouraged that and convinced me to go into college, where I ended up working in the kitchen. The 4 years I was there, my fourth year, I worked in concession stand. I became a banquet as a server. I also took back of the house positions like prep cook, line cook, and all that stuff to get in the kitchen, get more experience because I love being in the kitchen. I recently, later on, I joined Pampered Chef and I've been selling high quality kitchen products for 3.5 years now. Through my network, I met a friend and business coach, and she helped me start my school community. And that got us into YouTube. So I'm super excited to bring cooking to you guys. Some educational, some just fun videos of my kids and I being silly. And we're here to cook with you and help you encourage you to have create a magical mealtime moment with you, with your family in the kitchen and around the table. Our focus is for picky eaters and easy meals in 30 minutes or less to help the busy families because as a stay-at-home mom of three kiddos, all who have different tastes, different flavors, picky eating is a big struggle of ours. And we also are a very busy family. Between three kiddos, we have 5 different activities at any one point during the school year. And that does not include my stuff or my husband's stuff that we have, whether it's a networking meeting or a work meeting. And we also love to travel. So we're always looking for new ways and recipes to take on the road with us as well. I hope you guys enjoy YouTube and let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow for more tips and recipes to create a mealtime magic moment.